Are you looking for cleaning hacks? Learn systems and shortcuts to keep your B&B spotless without working yourself ragged. Running a bed and breakfast is a labor of love. But if we're being honest, some of that labor involves scrubbing toilets and fluffing pillows at 7 a.m. And it never ends, does it? Guests come, guests go, and somehow the kitchen is always a mess again. Before we carry on, make sure you subscribe, and if applicable, ring the bell so you don't miss any future great episode. Now here's the good news. With a few smart daily cleaning hacks, you can save loads of time without sacrificing an ounce of your sparkle. All right, let's get into it. Start with a shiftable morning routine. Mornings are prime cleaning time if you set yourself up right. After breakfast service, it's tempting to tackle everything at once: dishes, guest rooms, admin. But that's the fast track to burnout. A hack? Use what we call in the Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course the 3-zone reset. Instead of cleaning everything every day, rotate your focus. Zone 1, the kitchen, gets a deep refresh on Monday. Zone 2, guest rooms on Tuesday. Zone 3, common areas and admin on Wednesday. Repeat. This keeps things consistent without devouring your day. You're not avoiding work, you're spreading it sensibly. Speed clean with a rolling caddy. You don't need to look like Mary Poppins lugging dozens of sprays and cloths around. One of the best cleaning investments? A compact, multi-level rolling cleaning caddy. Load it once. Microfiber cloths, color-coded to avoid bathroom to kitchen disasters. Multi-purpose spray. Vinegar mix for mirrors and windows. Toilet cleaner. A small bin liner stash. Roll it room to room like a cleaning ninja. It's effective, and you'll never forget the toilet brush again. Clean in 10-minute spurts. Now let's face it, no one wants to scrub grout for an hour. Instead, try what we call the 10-minute blitz. Set a timer and tackle one task at full tilt. Strip and remake the beds in 10 minutes. Wipe and shine the bathroom in 10 minutes. Dust, vacuum, and fluff the lounge in, you guessed it, 10 minutes. You'll be amazed at how much more productive and less drained you feel. The hack comes straight out of Module 3 in the From Dream to Doors Open course, and it works wonders for solo owners especially. The laundry loop fix. Laundry is a time suck no one talks about enough. It's like a clinging toddler, always there, never quite finished. Here's the trick. Stop treating laundry like a one-off task. Instead, build a laundry loop. Toss in the first load as soon as breakfast is cleared. Fold and load during guest checkouts. Final load by 2 p.m., hung and folded by 4. And if your setup allows, outsource the ironing. Life is too short. Ditch the products you don't need. Ever counted your cleaning sprays? 5 for the bathroom, 3 for the kitchen, 1 for the window, and 1 that just smells nice. It's madness. Simplify. Use a multi-purpose concentrate that you can mix based on need. Glass, grease, disinfectant. Less color, less clutter, less cost, fewer decisions. One owner that took the course slashed her cleaning by 30% just by ditching the extra bottles. Use checklists, but make them visual. Checklists are brilliant until you forget where you put them. Create a visual checklist on laminated cards, one for each room type. Include bed check, bins emptied, windows wiped, room spray puffed. Tick with a dry erase pen as you go. Bonus, hand them out to seasonal staff and suddenly you're managing, not micromanaging. Pre-check rituals that save your sanity. Every night before you go to bed, do a quick tomorrow check. Are the guest keys where they should be? Is the laundry sorted for tomorrow's load? Breakfast prep half done? It's like packing your school bag the night before, except you're the teacher, cleaner, and the headmistress all at once. Guests won't remember the thread count. They'll remember how you made them feel. Your B&B Starter Blueprint shows you how to turn comfort into connection. Download it now. You can find a link in the show notes. What's your go-to cleaning hack that keeps your sanity intact? Share it in the comments. Here are your 5 takeaways. Create a 3-zone rotation. Use a rolling caddy. Set 10-minute sprints. Run a daily laundry loop. Cut back to 2 or 3 cleaning products. You don't need a magic wand to keep your B&B spotless, just smart systems. With these cleaning hacks, you'll reclaim time, protect your energy, and still wow guests with that "how do you keep it so clean" shine. Want more sanity-saving systems? The Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course is jam-packed with checklists, time-saving workflows, and real talk from owners just like you. Check it out now and clean up your entire operation game. Hit subscribe so you never miss an episode, and let's be honest, we all need a reminder when it's bin day.